Hey there, need to find an ATM for cash or visit a branch for in-person help? Finding a Chase branch or ATM near you is simple with their online locator or mobile app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to find one. Open your Chase mobile app and tap the Locations icon, usually a pin on a map, or go to chase.com and click ATM and branch at the top. Enter your address, city, or zip code. You'll see a map with all nearby Chase branches and ATMs, complete with addresses, hours, services offered, and real-time ATM status. My crucial pro tip: filter for 24-hour ATMs or specific services. Use the filters on the locator to show only locations with 24-hour access, drive-through ATMs, or branches with notary services. This saves you time and ensures the location you're heading to has exactly what you need. That's how you get what you need, where and when you need it. Do you rely on your bank's mobile app for location info, or do you just search on Google Maps? Let me know in the comments. For more practical location guides, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.